out here to UTV Takeover 2023. We're having a dang good time at the sand drag. We've had a few broken machines, but nothing too serious. No crashes yet, but we're having a good time. The big boys. They're not very fast at all. Wow.
I've got Casey's GoPro. You gotta drive the 5-ton, I've got a GoPro. Well, yeah, but this one's more important. Oh, almost lost it there. You're doing great, Cam. Doing great, buddy. Thank you. Don't like being on camera? Don't worry, this is just gonna go on a really popular YouTube. Casey's Off-Road Recovery, if you guys haven't seen it.
Dakota, what you fishing for?
Making a bridle right now.
You're making a bridle out of 3 soft shackles?
Yep.
We're gonna hook to the front end of this 24 footer. She's in there. Got a trailer on the back. So we're just gonna hopefully idle him out of here. He came in the dark last night and ended up down this road. He couldn't back down, so he needed a little help this morning. But that's the nice thing about these RVs is you always got somewhere to sleep when you're doing your thing. It's gonna work?
Yeah, I'm just too fat to get on here. Give me 1 second.
Oh, you had to dig a hole? Had to dig your own grave?
Yeah.
So what we're doing is we're hooking to both sides of the front axle. Something that's got solid, and then we're gonna put that in the middle and build a little make-believe bridle.
Right here.
Is that what you call it, a make-believe bridle?
It's a wannabe bridle.
I have a bridle, but you know, it's not with me. It's in one of the other trucks.
Why would you bring it out here?
It seems like a dumb idea.
There.
All right, there we go. That's so much nicer.
These.
I'm gonna say these might last me one through this year. I might have to get some new ones.
Yeah, we're getting new ones because ours are snapping.
Yeah, I need to. We really ought to get them bridles and use them on all them big trucks. So we're pulling on both joints, really. Did you miss?
It may help if I actually hook this one up.
He must have missed.
There we go.
All right.
That looks like a good break.
Well, you can help me a little, but don't underrun. When we start pulling, you can help me, but don't overrun the rope. Just, yeah, keep it tight. And I'm just gonna go nice and easy. We'll, if you see me pointing one way or the other out my back window, you'll know your wheels are turned one way or another. Because you don't have any steering feedback.
Oh.
You won't know which way your wheels are turned, so you could be turned all the way to the left and I'm still gonna drag you. So just, if you have to once in a while, look out the window or watch my hand and I'll signal what we got going on. All right, me and Dakota got it hooked. We're gonna see we got a 1/4 mile in this real soft sand with this big old motorhome. Hopefully we're just gonna idle it out of here, huh?
See the plan.
Is that the plan?
Hopefully.
I think he's gonna come go with us. event, so she's proving her worth. Done with this one. Don't know what else we got going on, but we just barely finished up with the one. So I'll probably be back over by the truck here in just a second.
If he would have aired down, he would have made it up to the top. That's what Casey's telling him right now. Another 10 feet.
Get him out.
Oh yeah.
All right, you guys, so a lot of these people were pulling on to a little harder ground, came in last night after dark, and usually we don't pull after dark down here just for safety issues, and so we go around and get everybody gathered up, get him into a better spot. We're just gonna pull him up closer to the road and unhook him. He's gonna spend the rest of the weekend here, and then if he has any problems, get back onto the pavement. It's just a quick little easy pull up there with even a Jeep. We'll pull him back on the road. So we're just waiting a minute for the key. Apparently he don't know where that went, so hopefully they'll round the key up, and then we'll go on to another job, see where we end up after this one.
I know they were talking about it this morning. They're like, Casey probably needs some new ropes.
Yeah, I probably do need new ropes.
Well, John just got all set up.
Yeah, that's good.
For
What it does. Yeah, we could lengthen this if we needed to. We cut that first rope in half and use both tow hooks just because he's stuck. We'll pull nice and even. But if we need to, we'll just unhook and we'll be clear up on the pavement then we can, you know, pull something out of the depths of hell. Tell you one thing for sure, I'd take that truck any day of the week.
yes. Well,
I'd trade him one of
it's
these
a
5
Dodge.
tons for that truck.
It's almost.
In the head with that. Okay, that was one.
That was cool, man. Watching that rope stretch like crazy again.
It's crazy how well they work like that. All right, you guys, so Johnny.
Yes.
From Johnny's Off-Road Recovery. He works with a team in northern Utah called Utah Off-Road Recovery Team, and he goes and helps people that get into extenuating circumstances.
Yes, we do.
Free of charge, and it's a wonderful organization. Anyways, we got Dakota and Cam and Jake and Sketchy, Greg down here. We're having a good time.
Yes, we are.
Got the whole Dozer crew having a good time, without a doubt.
Without a doubt.
What else do you say about life?
Sitting there. Just a Chevy, boys.
That's it. Oh, yeah, but it's a 30.
Yeah, you're right. It's not a 6-seater. I'm just talking shit.
It is a 60.
Yeah. Oh wow, make noise.
Look at this thing stuck down in the lake.
Yeah.
Look at this stuck down in the lake.
It'll float. Got 36s on it.
Want a bet?
Want a bet?
I'll be willing to bet you a pole.
Someone made that bet with us last year.
What's that?
Someone made that bet with us last year, and we pulled them.
Sink it?
Yep.
Yeah, this one definitely sinks. She's a little heavy. A little heavy on the backside.
You know, you must be hanging out with Steve Maxfield too much at MX2 building those 6-door Jeeps. Now you're building 6-door side-by-sides.
So we do a lot of touring outside of Vegas. So we go from Vegas to Lake Havasu, Vegas to Barton Ranch, all the way from Vegas to Barton Ranch to here.
So we have a lot of high-end clients and stuff like that we take out. We have a chase service that we go with them with a safety crew. And then this is basically for some of our higher-end clientele that doesn't want to deal with the maintenance of a car.
Oh, yeah.
But wants to come enjoy some of the trips with us. So we have a self-recovery product that basically we have toolboxes. That small box you see that fits in the back half of a 15-inch wheel. It's a model-specific tool and parts box, so it has everything from ball joints to every pivot in the car, all 4 lugs and studs.
Nice.
And then we have what are called self-recovery straps. Obviously, you probably use where you strap up, strap down, and get it running on 3 wheels.